It's an elephant. Yay. Well done. Look carefully. What could this be? Ta-da! It was an apple. Great thinking. Tricky one. Do you know? Surprise! The answer is lion. You're so smart. Think hard. What is hiding in the shadow? Woohoo! It's a rocket. Amazing! Can you figure out what this shadow belongs to? Yes, it was a cactus. You're a superstar. What do you think this shadow is? The shadow was a butterfly. Fantastic. This one is sneaky. Can you guess? Correct. It's a banana. Brilliant job. Look at the shape. What could it be? Wow, it's a turtle. You guessed it. Almost there. Can you guess this shadow? The answer is bear. Well done, superstar. Last one. Can you guess this shadow? And the last shadow was a dolphin. Incredible. Congratulations. You guessed all 10 shadows. You are absolutely amazing. Well done, superstar.